Okay, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can create our server, our Node.js server, using just the Node.js packages. So the way we do this is first we need to require a package called HTTP. We're gonna require that first. And after this, you can add HTTP dot create server. Okay, and then do const and call this server. Okay, and then you do server dot listen, and then the port number, which is going to be 3001, I'm gonna say, and then I'm gonna start the server. If you're wondering why I'm using this and then the server is gonna start, it's because in our package.json we've installed something called nodemon, and this will automatically restart your server each time you end up saving your file. And to install this, it's really simple. You just do npm install nodemon, but I've already installed it. You just need to press enter, and then add nodemon index.js in the package.json file. npm start. And the reason why you were using start is because in our scripts we've created start, and you would need to type this out here, but since we've created a script, we can now just use nodemon index.js by just typing npm start in our terminal. Okay, oh, I actually forgot to save this. Let me just save this first. And it gave us an error. Oh, I'm not in the server folder. To do that, just type in cd to go into a folder. Okay, and now the npm start will work. So the server did start. Now to check if our server is working or not, you can do two checks, by the way. One is that here you can just type in something like server started. Okay, if you just save this, you'll see that the server has started. But if you want something to happen when a API request is made to the backend, you just need to put in request and response here, and then you need to create a function, put in request and response, and then just put in response dot end, and you can send data to the front end now. Let's say server is working. Okay, something simple, and let's just save this, and let's do send. Okay, yeah, it's saying server is working. Let's add a exclamation mark just to be sure. Yeah, okay, so it's working. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.